Hi chef, it's time to level your kitchen. These cookware pieces available in variety of size and will revolutionize your cooking. Let's check it out. This stainless steel frying pan is a universal fit for induction, gas, and electric hotpot. It's triple-layer built ensuring long-lasting use. Next, the non-stick frying pan designed for food service. It has Excalibur castings that makes cleaning effortless. Then the stovepipe is a product making sausage and stew. The fry pan locks in moisture and flavor. Finally, the saucepan suits all cooktops. Its triple-layer construction guarantees quality. These top-tier cookware are limited quantities. Rush to order and level your kitchen. I'm Karina and I look forward to receiving your message. See you next time.